GRYP stock analysis and GRYP stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you my exact play, how I'm going to trade this, because I'm the only person in this stock trading space that has done 40,000 videos, taken me 5 years, and I've seen what's actually making me money and what's not. Still, ultimately, like all I'm about to say with GRYP is that the one thing that I care about the most is the price. Actually, let's pull down. You know, it's just a bearish range. And I mean, I care about the pump that we have had, you know. Ideally, if there was some sort of more power behind it and a double breaks, then yeah, sure, would have loved to take it up, but seems like it kind of fizzled out, which is fine, you know. With pumps, I just look to double down when it's melting down as such. It's not that I haven't traded sells, obviously I have, but as long as the rules are met, because this is like a normal trend as every other, you know. Market is fractal, so if the rules are met, there's nothing stopping me from taking things down. Only for the short term, of course. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with our indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free email.